Hey, tada! Many years ago, my father came back from work with his first car ever. It was the 4th generation Toyota Corolla, the E70. It debuted between 1979 and 1983. And at the time when he bought it, it was around 1999 or 1998 if I'm not mistaken. I was around 7 years old. And that car became our family car for over 3 years, and after some time, I sold it for a fresher one. Until today, my love for Corolla stays intact. So at this point for the family, the car was new for us. But imagine, a car that's debuted in 1979 and when now we are at 1998, it's an old car to be honest. 7 generations later, the Toyota Corolla has stood the test of time and is very much alive. It's a tried and tested sedan that's been taking care of families for a millennia now. Welcome to Car Wise, a channel to help you choose your car wisely. In this video, I'm going to share with you the review of the 2021 Toyota Corolla Quest. The Toyota Corolla Quest is the C-segment sedan that comes in at the B-segment prices to make owning a quality Toyota Corolla accessible to a great audience. Matiza, Manes, Mapodisa, Labatsib, all of them. This one takes the tried and tested 11th generation Toyota Corolla recipe and continues the tradition of value for money wrapped up in the renowned Toyota reliability. Speaking of the Toyota reliability, I get reminded of my eldest uncle. He owns a Toyota Run-X that he bought back in 2004. Still a daily runner to this day, with over 400 kilometers on the clock. This car came after a stint with 2 BMWs, of which one of them showed in flames mechanically. Moral of the story is, hawananli fishin afetu. Hawananli fishin. No, never atwanke moren. I won't even waste your precious time with useless stuff this time. I just want to talk about this car and why I'd personally prefer it over other fashionable cars. Note how I said personally. Personally, I mean me and not you. So Toyota is really smart, Bafetu. The Corolla Quest is a sleek effort from Toyota South Africa. When the production cycle of the current generation ends, the sedan lives on the shape of the new Corolla Quest. Instead of discontinuing its production line as most manufacturers would, Toyota effectively extends the superseded Corolla life by bolting it on a Quest badge, incorporating some parts shared with the Hilux and the Fortuner, which are built in Durban together with the Quest. Finding local suppliers for parts and reducing production costs for the benefit of the customer. But Toyota is not the only firm doing this. VW also does it when it turns the Polo into the Polo Vivo after every 7 years. These are slick business moves. The chassis of the Corolla Quest is updated to that of a venerable 11th generation Toyota Corolla, which means it's of a much more modern design compared to its predecessor. The 1.6-litre naturally aspirated engine is replaced with the more powerful yet fuel-efficient 1.8-litre petrol, and customers can choose between a 6-speed manual gearbox and an automatic transmission. This Corolla Quest is most easily recognizable by its front grille, which is something of a local design that's been made to give it an updated look. Before I even go further, and like I'm wasting your time with the looks of this car, because I know you've seen hundreds of them by now and you know it very well. But basically Toyota took an outgoing model and reworked it ever so slightly to ensure customers still get the quality, durability and reliability that Corolla is known for, but at a lower price. As for the interior, more parts are now sourced locally and shared with the Hilux and the Fortuner, which has helped to bring down the unit prices. As you know, Bafetu, cars are ridiculously expensive nowadays, and for the price of this car, I honestly think it's well spec'd. It boasts all-round electric windows, keyless entry and start, a multi-function steering wheel, and a media system that's got Bluetooth, aux, and USB compatible. An area where the Corolla has always been successful at is the practicality. The space inside is ample. Both front and rear passengers are afforded plenty of legroom. The boot is pretty big as well, boasting a load volume capacity of 425 liters. The Corolla Quest was always expected to transport multitude of passengers, and indeed, this car is popular with Uber drivers, everyone knows it. So it has the biggest reducer of accidents. Vehicle stability control is standard across the range. Driver and passenger airbags are standard as are ABS with ABD. But my biggest flex and my takeaway from this car is the hill start assist. I think it's a good one to have in this car. A single engine powers the Corolla Quest, being it a 1.8 liter unit. It's a naturally aspirated engine producing 103 kilowatts of power and 173 Newton meters of torque. The engine feels adequately powered when the need to push comes around. The 6-speed manual gearbox shifts over very nicely, and the clutch has a light touch to it. What I like the most about this car is that it's not even difficult to steer, and this creates a sense that you are driving something smaller and nimbler than a sedan. Toyota claims a fuel return of 7 liters for 100 kilometers, which see you realize a range of 786 kilometers on its 55 liters fuel tank. This Toyota Corolla Quest is a demo and is retailing for 266,995 rands. And for a period of 60 months, at an interest rate of 12%, without balloon payment and deposit, your monthly repayment is going to be around 5,940 rands. And it comes standard with a 3-year or 45,000 km service plan and a 3-year or 90,000 km warranty. For insurance, you are looking at around 1,500 rands plus 1,175 rands worth of full tank of petrol, which will take your total cost of ownership per month to 8,315 rands. The death of sedans is upon us, Bafito, and I think this one may just outlive them all. There's still a lot of value for money found in this car. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to the channel for more car-wise content to help you choose your car wisely.